Hi guys, I'm Silas. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to create QQ account. You can sign up QQ account on phone device or web page. I will show you both. In the past, there is an English version of QQ that is called QQ International, but it has been abandoned since 2021. You're not able to download it or use it anymore. But now, there is only Chinese version of QQ you can use, which means if you can't understand Chinese characters, then it will be a little frustrating to use it. I will make a full series of Chinese version of QQ tutorials. If you need that, please subscribe my channel. I will show you how to create QQ account on your phone first and web page way later. If you fail to, you might switch to the other way, vice versa. Now let's get started. First thing first, you need to download the app. I tried to download the app from Google Play Store. The funny thing is that actually it's not the latest version. So I go to the QQ official webpage to download the app. The weird thing is it is still not the latest version even from QQ official webpage. In this case, you might need to download the app from Chinese App Store like Xiaomi Store, Huawei Store, etc. Basically, you will get the latest version of QQ app from the official webpage. So I will show you in this way in my video. Open browser on your phone and type in rm.qq.com. And then you will go to the official webpage. Click on 立即下载. If you're not able to recognize Chinese characters, then just scroll down to the bottom. Click this one. After that, the app will be downloaded to your phone. You need to install it. Okay, it has been installed. Then open the app. Now you need to click 新用户. It has 3 characters. It means new user or sign up. So you might know the other one's meaning. The blue one, 登录 means login. Click the left one to sign up. Now you need to tap your phone number and select your region code. Most of you don't know Chinese at all. You can use Google Translate to translate your country name to Chinese and then copy that, paste it here. Or enter your country name in English here. It will left the right one in Chinese, just need to select that one. Then type in your phone number. Check this circle icon, and then click on 下一步. It means next. Check this circle icon, and then click on 下一步. It means next. Click 同意. This blue one to agree the terms of service. Now you need to click drag the puzzle piece to the right place. Now in this step, you will need to use your phone number to send SMS code to this recipient. And it has to be done in 10 minutes. By the way, you will be charged. After you send the message, you need to click on this 我已发送短信. I recommend you click the blue one 去发送短信. It will go to messages directly. Or you need to copy the recipients and paste it manually, and go back to click 我已发送短信. It's working. Now setting up your username here and the password. The password should be a mix of different types of characters to make the password harder to crack. And you can tap here to check your password. I'd recommend you write password down in case you forget. After setting up the password, the last step is clicking 注册并登录. It means sign up and logging in. Okay, you are in. As for Chinese characters, I will show you more tutorials about how to use Chinese version of QQ later. Now let me show you how to sign up QQ on web page. Open browser and enter the URL cc.qq.com. If the page is in Chinese, then you can click here to change the language. Setting up your nickname and password, and of course your phone number here. After entering the phone number, the page will show you Request SMS code button. You will get an SMS verification code on your phone. You need to enter it before the countdown timer. If you fail to, you can request again. The code should be like this. Now you just need to click sign up now. Alright, this is your QQ ID or QQ number. Just write it down. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel. I will show you more about Chinese social media and more information about China.